Welcome back to a brand new video. This is the One More Earbuds, a fantastic little gadget. However, when the battery backup and charging performance start to decline, using it can become quite frustrating. Today, let's take a look at how I solved this problem. First, I took a piece of soft cotton cloth. Opening these earbuds is quite challenging. In fact, most earbuds are not designed to be opened easily. Then, using a pair of pliers, I carefully applied pressure to the earbud's main cover in an attempt to open it. As soon as a small gap appeared, I inserted a utility blade into the opening. After that, I slowly worked my way around the cover by hand until it came apart completely. I repeated the same process for the second earbud. The earbuds still power on and function normally, but the battery life has become so poor that it can be very annoying during daily use. First, I powered off the earbud. Then I disconnected the active noise cancellation connector from the circuit board. After that, I carefully removed the circuit assembly from the housing and took out the old battery. That's why I decided to replace the batteries in both the left and right earbuds. I disconnected the battery terminals from the circuit board and removed the battery completely. It was time to say goodbye to the old battery. I purchased high-quality replacement batteries from a local market for about $0.65 each. I took one out and prepared it for installation. These batteries are rated at 3.7 volts and 25 mAh capacity. Hopefully, they will deliver performance similar to the original batteries. I checked the voltage and found that the battery was charged to over 4 volts, which is a good sign. Next, I connected the new battery to the earbud circuit board. After making the connection, I insulated the positive and negative terminals with tape. For additional protection, I used foam tape to secure both the battery and the circuit board in their proper positions. Then I reconnected the active noise cancellation connector. Once everything was back in place, I inserted the earbud into the charging case. As you can see, it immediately entered charging mode and started charging properly. I followed the exact same procedure for the second earbud. Keep watching to see the entire process. After completing the battery replacement on the second earbud, I placed it into the charging case and tested it. It was also charging perfectly without any issues. Since everything was working correctly, I carefully reinstalled the side covers, making sure the switching side alignment was accurate. After securing all the covers, I placed both earbuds back into the charging case. If you appreciate detailed sound reproduction, excellent instrument separation, and a premium audio experience, the One More E1029BT remains a great choice. Whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or videos, it still delivers impressive audio quality. Finally, the battery replacement process was successfully completed. Hopefully, these earbuds will now provide much better battery life and continue performing just like they did when they were new. I hope today's video was helpful for you. This method can also serve as a useful reference for replacing batteries in many other types of earbuds. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and help others learn from it. Don't forget to leave a like. and if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, feel free to write them in the comments section below. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell by selecting All, so you never miss any future uploads. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.